Can borax and baking soda be used interchangeably in cleaning and laundry applications?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to delve into a common household question. Can borax and baking soda be used interchangeably in cleaning and laundry applications? Both are common products that you probably have in your pantry, but do they function the same way? Let's find out.
What is borax?
First off, borax, also known as sodium borate, is a natural mineral compound. It's often used in laundry detergents and cleaning products due to its ability to break down stains, reduce odors, and kill mold and bacteria. Borax is alkaline, which means it can neutralize acidic stains and odors.
What is baking soda?
On the other hand, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is also a natural compound. It's a mild alkaline product that functions excellently in removing odors and gentle cleaning tasks. Baking soda is commonly used in cooking and baking, but it's also well known for its deodorizing properties and ability to tackle grease and grime.
Can they be used interchangeably?
So, can you substitute one for the other? The answer is yes, but with some caveats. Both borax and baking soda have cleaning and deodorizing properties, but they aren't identical in their functionalities. For general cleaning tasks, both can be used. However, due to borax's more potent cleaning ability, it's generally a better option for tougher stains and tasks. Baking soda, being gentler, is a suitable choice for cleaning surfaces that can be easily scratched or when a less aggressive approach is required. When it comes to laundry applications, borax is often used to enhance the effectiveness of laundry detergent, while baking soda is typically used to deodorize and freshen up clothes. While you can use baking soda to enhance your detergent's cleaning power, it might not be as effective as borax in removing tough stains. In summary, while you can substitute one for the other in some situations, they're not perfect replacements for each other. I hope this clears up the question about borax and baking soda. Remember, while they have some similarities in their cleaning and deodorizing functions, they also have their own unique strengths and applications. Choose wisely based on your specific needs. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning!